In this video I'm going to show you the new Polaris FREEDOM Plus Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. And the Polaris FREEDOM Plus comes with this really nice Caddy. Also on the Caddy is a charging base. And you have the retrieval hook and this really nice remote control. The Polaris FREEDOM also features app control through the iAqualink app. And to connect the cleaner to your Wi-Fi, go ahead and slide this here to the right and hold it for 10 seconds. And now you can set the FREEDOM Plus up in the iAqualink app. Included with the FREEDOM Plus is a registration card. You also have the quick start guide and the owner's manual. And the FREEDOM Plus comes with this remote control, and you can control the cleaner while it's moving in the pool. So to use the remote, simply point it at the antenna on the cleaner, and you can move the cleaner forward. You can turn the cleaner. And with the remote, you can control the cleaner and you can spot clean the pool. You can also engage the lift system by pointing it towards the cleaner and then pushing the button once. And then the cleaner will climb the wall and wait there for you to retrieve it. And as the cleaner is leaving the water, all the water will be expelled from the cleaner, making it very light and easy to remove. And you can see on front of the FREEDOM Plus there's an antenna. And this antenna will allow you to control the cleaner with the remote while it's underwater. You can also retrieve the cleaner with this included hook if you don't want to use the lift system. And the FREEDOM Plus is a top-loading robotic pool cleaner. And you can see it has a very large debris canister inside here. And this is the standard canister. And Polaris also sells an ultrafine canister. So if you have really fine dirt in your pool, you may want to order the ultrafine canister. And on the front are these large scrubbing brushes, and you can see it has a large debris opening here. And this cleaner has no problem picking up leaf debris as well as dirt. It uses cyclonic technology to pull the debris in easily. On the back here is the on-off switch. To start the cleaner, you simply slide it over to the right. And this is the charge indicator here, and you can see that the battery is fully charged. If the battery is fully discharged, it'll take 5 hours to charge it. And you want to make sure that you charge the cleaner out of direct sunlight. Then you have the modes on this side here, and it's set here for floors, walls, and waterline. And you can see that it's also connected right now to the iAqualink app. You also have a floors only mode. And in the app there are 2 more modes available. You have the waterline, and you also have the smart cleaning mode. So to start the cleaner, just slide it one more time to the right, and then put it in your pool. FREEDOM Plus has a battery that's rated for 2.5 hours. So this cleaner is great for small to medium pools. In addition to the lift system on the remote and the retrieval hook, at the end of the cleaning cycle, you're going to get a push notification in the app alerting you that the cleaning cycle is finished. At that time, the cleaner will come up to the waterline for 10 minutes, and then you can easily remove it from the pool. Yeah, let me show you the debris that the FREEDOM Plus picked up here. You can see it does a great job with larger leaf debris. And you can see all the fine silt and dirt it picked up. And you can see that the large capacity basket holds a lot of debris. And the Freedom Plus is backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty. And the Polaris Freedom Plus is definitely the most advanced cordless robotic pool cleaner on the market today, with the ability to start the cleaner inside the iAqualink app and also to monitor how much time is left in the cleaning cycle. And now with their new remote control, you can also take control of the cleaner manually and spot clean the pool. And you can also activate the lift system directly from the remote control. And having the transport and storage caddy is a definite plus. And if you're in the market for a cordless robotic pool cleaner, the Freedom Plus definitely would be the top choice. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service, save time and money, and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.